Hey, this is Brandon with GC Water.
So today we're going to talk about changing the filters on a NEX 500 from GC Water. So basically the main thing you want to worry about is to ensure the outgoing pressure is at 0, and if it does happen to be running at the time you go to change the filters, all you have to do, which you should do either way, is to flip these switches before you start the process. And like I said, if it does have pressure, wait for it to hit the 0 and you'll be all set. Now that the system pressure is at 0 and the switches are off, we will begin changing the filters. So we're just going to start over here with the number 1. Now what I like to do personally is throw a towel down, just because you will have some residual water coming from these filters. So just a quick turn, pull, quick turn, pull, and we're just going to go ahead and run through all these real quick. Now the last two will be a little bit different. So we'll just do these first 4, and then we'll move to the membranes, quick turn and a pull. And then we'll go ahead and get the replacement filters. So I'm going to start with the number 2s. And they go right where they came from. That's the reverse process. Just throw it in there like such. Oh, there we go. The number 1s. Oh, I remember my first time. And just to be clear, there is no specific order for these. You can put them in whatever order you like. So now we'll move over to the membranes. Now for these, we like to grab a small bowl, because this one will have quite a bit of water. So what you want to do is pop from the T-collet, remove the tube, and you're going to let the water drain out. So now that most of that's out, what I'm going to do is put the collet back into the T and then remove the tubing from the elbows in the bottom of the membranes, like so. Oh, looks like that guy's in there. It's a little bit too well. There we go. So, just like the other ones, just a quick pull. Oh, there we go. Let that guy get the rest of it out. And that's just a little bit excessive. So I'm just going to go and move this bowl, throw a towel underneath there for the time being. Then we're going to go and remove this last membrane, like such. And then we'll put the new membranes in, starting from the back. Same way they came out. And then ensure that the tubing, you get a nice popping sound back into the collet of each membrane. Go ahead and clean up that mess. And there you have it. You got a successful filter change. And you get it back up and running. All you got to do is flip on the switches. Make sure there's no leaks. Now you got the filters in there nice and snug, and you should be all set. Thanks for tuning in. Hopefully this helps you in the future when it comes to your filter changes. Feel free to contact us at the information below, and keep an eye out for new videos to come.